Hey boo, hey, long time no see, right? Well, I'm back and I'm here with the Perm set tutorial with Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils collection. So y'all know how I do. I just jump right into it. And first up, I'm shampooing with the Oh So Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo. And yes, this is an actual moisturizing shampoo with lots and lots of lather. I was actually able to do some light finger detangling with it. It is enriched with coconut oil, shea butter, and olive oil, and is a great start to moisturizing some dry hair. If you have chronically dry hair, I really recommend shampooing your hair more often because a lot of times perpetual dryness is a result of product buildup, and that buildup acts as a barrier, so it blocks out moisture. So yeah, you want to shampoo more just to remove that buildup and remove that barrier that's blocking out moisture, so you can actually allow products to get inside your hair strands, girl. Next, I am deep conditioning with the In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. This deep conditioner has protein and humectants in it to strengthen while moisturizing hair, which is bomb for me because as y'all can see, my hair is colored and color damages curls. And yeah, I just need all the protein I can get. These little curls trying to come back, but if you go back and look, they were limp and they were really like almost straight, but they're bouncing back and this color is growing out quick, so I can't wait to finish this transitioning journey. So I applied the deep conditioner all over, sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes, let my hair cool off, which means my cuticles close back up. Then I rinsed it. And after deep conditioning, it is time to apply my leave-in. And this is the Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. And I've always wondered why they don't have many other leave-in conditioners in their collections. And now I know. I finally got to try the Quench one. It instantly made my hair soften and melt. And I mean, just look at how my curls are popping with ease. I gotta try this out with the Curl Boss jelly or the grapeseed mousse for a wash and go because I mean, dang, just look at how my curls are popping with no styler. So this leave-in does have marshmallow root, shea butter, and olive oil in it, and I gotta go do some more research on the marshmallow root and dabble with it some more because shea and olive oil are kind of hit and miss for my hair. So I'm thinking it's gotta be that marshmallow root that has my curl pattern just popping so easily right now. Side note, do y'all clock ingredients like that? Like, I swear that's the key to mastering products. Knowing what ingredients your hair does and does not like. But anyway, moving right along into styling, I am using the Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. Now, when I do my rod sets, I normally prefer mousse because it really stretches my curl pattern out for nice, smooth rods. However, the downside to mousse is it is hard to find one that has moisturizing components in it. So I will use a cream if I can find one that actually stretches my hair out. Because the key to define rod sets is getting your hair smooth enough to wrap neatly around that rod. So I applied this defining curl custard and just look how my hair starts to sleek and stretch out as I brush it with my detangling brush. It just gets super sleek and stretched, and then I just start rodding it up. So to rod, I apply the product, work it in, and then the first step to actually getting the rod on my hair is to secure the ends. I do this by pulling the section of hair tight by pinching the ends. Then I take the rod with the other hand and lay my hair across the rod, and I use my index finger from the hand that's holding the rod to trap my hair on top so that I do not lose tension. And once I got it, I roll the rod going up, and I will roll my ends on top of each other so that it secures, so that when I pull, it does not slip anymore. So once it's secured, I start rolling, and when I roll the rest of my hair, I kind of spiral it upwards. I do not like just keep wrapping my hair on top of each other because it will take forever to dry. Once I get to the roots, I take the rod and twirl it around my roots so it'll be stretched. Then to finish, I take the strap of the rod and then strap it over top of my hair to hold that tension. If you strap it and it's not on top, the rods will be floppy and the roots will revert. So here it is again. I brush and comb my hair to get it nice and smooth. Then I wrap the ends around the rod. and I roll the ends on top of each other to secure it, and I get to rolling my hair. Once I'm at the roots, I twist it around and I secure the rod by strapping it at the root. And y'all, this really just takes practice. Once you master how to secure the ends so you can keep that tension while rodding, you will have it down pat. Now that twisting motion I do when I get to the roots is optional, but that works for me. Not everybody has to do that, but that just works for me to get my roots nice and tight like I want them. But anyway, I do this all over. I do not count rods. I just try to keep the same size section and go. If you don't know how many rods to buy, start off with like 30 or 40 rods. But I'm going to tell you right now, some people can rod their whole head in less than 20 rods. Others will use like 60. It just depends on like your density, your length, and your grip preference. But don't stress yourself out trying to work in big sections just to use a little bit of rods. And also, on the other hand, don't wear yourself out trying to cram a bunch of rods in your hair just because you saw somebody else do it. The goal is to find sizes that work for you and just roll. And now, as far as drying, I sit under the dryer for about 30 to 60 minutes because I have low porosity, and I find that just helps the products really set and hold into my hair. But I then air dry the rest of the way. Now, the next day, I just start taking my rods down from here and determine if I'm going to need some oil or not. When it starts getting hot outside and humid like it is now, I don't use a lot of oil because my hair retains moisture much better when it's summer and when it's humid. And then sometimes the oil just kind of like touches my face and breaks me out. So right here, I just applied a little bit of oil so that I wasn't touching my hair with dry hands, but I didn't apply for the rest of my head. I just went through and separated. Now, as far as separating, I also do not count the sections that I pull my hair apart. I just pull it apart until I get the desired look. But keep in mind, the more you separate your hair, the more frizz you'll get. And personally, I don't care about frizz, but I know that's the things for some folks, so that is your warning. For a detailed video on how I separate and fluff, go ahead and click right here because I have a video dedicated to that. And this is it, y'all. I have nice defined curls, and I just love me a good rod set. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm actually about to get some knotless braids too. Let me know if you guys want me to do a comparison video of knotless braids versus traditional braids. And yeah, all right. So I will see y'all in the comment section. Do not forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and cut those notification bells on. Bye.